Hello everybody and welcome to another fly tying video with your host Scott. In this video I'm going to show you how to make some dubbing. This is a very good way to quickly create an inventory of dubbings. These particular balls of wool are really cheap. You can get them from Poundland, the works, anywhere pretty much. So also, if your significant other's got a ball of wool that they've got spare, you can always nick a metre of that as well, because that's literally all you need for a lifetime supply. So that is how much a metre creates. That's some I've made earlier on a previous take. So there we go. So the reason I'm doing this is because I need a dark green and a dark blue dubbing for a fly pattern called the Balmoral, which is a Dee Style fly, which I'm hoping to tie on the channel. So I thought the best way to get the dubbing was to actually make it myself. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut roughly a metre, depending on the size of your coffee grinder. You need enough in there to fill the bowl, and then you're going to double it all up as much as you possibly can, like so, and get a pair of scissors and chop it as small as you can possibly get away with into your grinder. But between 1 centimetre, 2 centimetres is about right from experience, which is between ½ an inch and 1 inch for those guys still working in Imperial. I freely go between the two. I'm of that generation, so I was born in the 80s. So then you pop the lid on your grinder. Now there's a certain there is a little bit of skill with this, but it's not too difficult. So basically all you need to do is you need to pulse it yourself. You can get some that have got a pulse setting, but I wouldn't use that either. I'd do it manually all the way. So you want to give it a quick pulse, and then you want to let it settle in the bowl again. Then give it another quick pulse, and keep doing that until it starts to fluff up like that. And I'd say that's not far away actually. Really fluffy, nice, and it's just sticking to my finger, look, and that'll stick to your thread all day long, that will. And the great thing about using these particular wools is that they are colour fast. They're 100% acrylic, so they're basically made in the colour that they're in. So there we go. I'll demonstrate it with the blue one now as well. You want to clean out the coffee grinder, obviously. Now the coffee grinder, I've actually got a specific coffee grinder just for this purpose, and it costs me, it's quite cheap off Amazon really. I think it was about £20. But you can quickly spend £20 on 4 colours of dubbing. These balls of wool cost £1.50. And if you've got a significant other that loves their knitting, then you don't really have to worry about the cost of the wool either. So it is worth doing. And even if you want to make your own blends, so for example, I've got some squirrel here that was harvested recently. You can scrape this off, put that in there, and add different things to it, like flash or whatever, and you can mix that up nicely as well. So we're going to double up the blue one again. Watch your fingers if you're needing a sharp pair of scissors. I'd recommend a bigger pair of scissors than these, to be honest. These are the first scissors I've got to hand, so. There we are, enough to fill the bowl again. Bit of green there, get rid of that, should alter the colour of it. don't think that's far away either. There we go. So you're going to get these bits that the blades missed. You can just pull them out. There's that much of it. I mean, it creates a lifetime supply in 1 metre basically. So there we are. Some I made earlier. Probably far too much. So there we have it. That's how to make your own dubbing. So hopefully you'll see me demonstrating the use of this dubbing in the next video, where I'll have a crack at tying a Balmoral, which is a Dee Style Salmon Fly. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.